Well, welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you 5 important websites where you can find the UGC net question papers, previous year question papers, and solutions. So, watch till the end where I'll be telling you an important thing in the end. So, this is my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go and subscribe now to get the updates about UGC net because the exam will be during the month of June. So, you have to start preparing now so that you can complete all the topics. So whatever the subject you are, whatever the domain you are, so you have to complete all the topics. So from today till May, okay, so not till May, till April, weekly once or twice I'll be uploading the videos about UGC net, NTA net exams, where to find, what are the resources you can access, and how to study for the exam, subject wise, paper 1, paper 2, everything. Okay, so please stay tuned. So the very first thing, so before that, if you want to connect with me, so here you can see there is 7 more links, right? So you can, if you want to connect with me through LinkedIn, if you want to schedule a call with me, you can schedule a call through this one, that is Mate. Okay, so I have this. You can use the TopMate account to connect with me. You can schedule the call. You can follow my blog, Instagram, Twitter. So all these things you can avail. You can see here. You can connect with me. Okay, and this is my TopMate. If you want to schedule a call, if you want to clarify any doubts on research or your NTA, UGC net, whatever, so please schedule a call with me. I'll be there to help you out. So the very first thing which we are going to see is what is today is the complete topic is about paper 1. Okay, I'll be showing, because only if you pass in paper 1, you can your next mark, even if you pass in paper 2 but you are not getting the proper mark in the paper 1, then your, of course, your qualification will be rejected. So let us just concentrate in this video about paper 1. What are the what are the websites you can find it to learn about paper 1? Okay, you know that in paper 1 we have 10 subjects, like 10 units. Okay, so UGC net paper 1, here you can find that they have segregated the unit wise previous year materials and notes to download. Okay, so here you can see unit 1, teaching aptitude. So this is part 1, download. So if you just click download, it will automatically ask you to download. You can start learning about it. Okay, so for teaching aptitude, they have this for part 7 parts of PDF they have. Okay, you can download it. Research aptitude, which is very very important, research aptitude. And here you can see this is for comprehension, and this is for communication, part 1 to 5. Mathematical reasoning and aptitude, I'll be showing another website where you can find reasoning aptitude, so don't worry. So logical reasoning, data interpretation, information communication and technology, people development and environment, higher education. So all these things you can find it here. So this, from here you can download it and make use of it. Okay, you can learn this. So the link is ugcnetpaper1.com, and this is the study material, so you can directly download and learn. Okay, let us go to the second website. This is like pw.live. So pw.live, here you can find the paper 1 and 2, but of course here you can find that the papers for, this is UGC previous year question papers. Okay, so this is commerce, you can download the PDF. English, you can download the PDF. Management, this is for the question paper 2021. Okay, likewise you have for 2020, 2014, you have for 2013. All the previous year question papers you can find it subject wise. Okay, 2011, 2010. Okay, you can find it subject wise and you can download it for your purpose. So this is what, see, in UGC questions, now you have 50 questions you have to appear. There are 10 units you have, and there will be 5 questions from each unit. Okay, so you cannot neglect any question. So marks per question is 2 marks, and you have only 1 hour, no negative marking. And if you take for paper 2, it's for 100 questions, you have to write 100 questions. This is paper 2 specialization questions. So specialization paper, so there will be no negative marking. So here you can find it. So the next website is what, samplepaperlibrary.in. Okay, so samplepaperlibrary.in, this is the website where you can find the information about the UGC materials. Okay, so this is UGC net 2018 previous year question paper. Okay, so UGC net paper 1 this is, and all the subject wise question papers. Okay, all the subject wise question paper. And this is paper 2, that is, sorry, this is 2014. In paper 1 here you can find, and paper 2 you can find. Okay, so everything is available here in this website as well. Let us go to the fourth one, which is netugc.com. Okay, so netugc.com, so here you can find, this has only paper 1, and this is a solved question paper. You can find the answers as well. Okay, this is specifically for paper 1. So here you can see, this is for 2016 June December, 7 June December. So the thing is, like, you have to be ready with your all the 10 years previous 10 years question paper. So today this year is 2024, so you should be there, you should have your question paper from 2014 till 2024. So this is the first one. You have to collect all the material. So if you want to know the cracking strategy, like if you want to know how to solve, how to pass this exam, the exam passing strategy, please leave comment as yes, or yes, I want to know exam cracking strategy, I will tell you. Okay, so here next one is what, solvingpapers.com. So solvingpapers.com is another website where you can find how to that is, what are the various um, papers, like question papers you have for UGC net. Okay, so just scroll down, you can see UGC net 2021 question papers. Okay, everything. Okay, everything right from the your specialized subject. So you can see here 2018. So this is there is it is there till 2018, and here you can see download all exam past year question paper. So here you can find the other question papers, like other exams as well. UPSC. Okay, so UPSC, and there you can find many competitive exams topic here. Okay, so here you can find it for 2018, from 2018, 19, 20, 20, 21. So 22, 23 you should have. Okay, so from 14 to 23 you should have all the question papers. First collect all the question papers with the solution. Just set the time, like set the time frame, like before when you have to collect all these things. So once you have collected all these things, what you can do is, what you can start learning for. Okay, you can start learning for the exam. So you can start learning for the exam. Be very careful, like you should have the solution properly. Keep everything handy. So once you have collected for paper 1, just it is confirmed that for all the 10 units you will be getting 5 questions. Okay, so be very clear about the for 10 units. Paper 1 you should be very confident, and paper 2 there will be some topics where the weightage will be given higher than the other topics. So you should think about it, like which topic you have to concentrate and how you have to concentrate. That is the strategy, like how you can build it, how you can learn for this. So this is February, and you have nearly 4 months to prepare. Okay, so sorry, three including this month you have nearly 4 months, and you have only 3 months if you are not including this one. Okay, so June, definitely by June you will have your exam. So before 5 to 10 days you should be prepared, and after that, that is, if for example if June 10th your exam, in the sense you have to just revise from June 1 to June 9. You should not again reread the new concepts there. Okay, so plan it wisely. If you have any questions, you can let me know. So in the next video about, that is UGC net related video, I'll be sharing about the subject specific websites where you can download or where you can get the resources. Okay, and in another video I'll be telling which books you can prefer to buy it and learn it. Okay, so if, and the cracking exam cracking strategies, which subject you wanted to understand. So everything, please leave the comment where I can help you out. Thank you, take care, and bye bye.